Hello guys, myself Prashant Kumar. I'm welcoming you in my new video that has been about how to improve your English. Today I will tell you by speaking some simple sentences that how can you pronounce well and use correct sentences and use correct idiomatic sentences to make your English impressive. Listen guys, if you are not able to speak some standard English, you can speak simply and plain English also. In this type of English, you need not to use some heavy kinds of sentences and heavy kinds of words. You can use with simple this, that, he is, I was, eating, playing, singing, dancing, and so on, and etc. etc. English is been a foreigner's language, or it's been a outsider's language, so one finds some kind of difficulty to deal with this particular language, but it is not difficult much as people thinks about, because in my earlier age, when I was in my academics examination, I was giving examination of 10th and 12th. I used to read some English books, some grammar words, some tenses, and some private tuitions also to improve my English. Gradually, in I think 1.5 year, it was sufficient for me to improve my English, and uh, whatever I practiced and whatever I noticed while dealing with this subject, it has been a very standard subject. uh, you will feel pride whenever you will know the art to speak English. It has been a very stylish language also. Whenever you speak before 100, 200 or 1000 people, then you get ultimately confidence what you have to speak and what you have to do. It does not need to use heavy words. You can use it with the simple words also. And if you are confronting with a person who also speaks English and know about also English, you can request him to please ask and please talk to him in simple words, on simple manner. Whenever he will listen you, he will or she will try to speak with you in simple language. So these are the basic and fundamental keys. And in grammar section, I will tell you how to use about tenses, how to use about the verbs, how to use about synthesis, transformation, active passage, and voice over many kinds of issues. And if you are follow if you follow this kind of rules and stigma, surely you will be able to speak over it. For suppose that I never think about speaking what I have to speak. Just speak whatever you want to speak, any kind of subject or any kind of incident, any kind of memory. You can share your thoughts, and it is not necessary to recall every grammatical steps while dealing with other people, because grammar is not a limited, it is consisted of 10 to 12 chapters, basic English grammar, and it is not much necessary to remember every and single point and each single point that has been given in English also. So try to speak over it simply, and let's see what happen. So guys, this is my video, simple video from speaking English, speaking simple and plain English. Hope you have enjoyed it and you have also learned it. Please subscribe, like and comment. what you have noticed, and I will tell you in my further videos how to communicate well, what is the role of eye contact, body language, and your whole personality while dealing with other people. So guys, keep watching and subscribing me. Thank you.